If you want to get iPhone ringtone on POCO M8 Pro, first of all, we can go to the Play Store, and then over here we can use the search option, then tap on the search field, and we can search for iPhone ringtone. By doing so, we can find an app that allows us to get the iPhone ringtone, so we can choose any of these examples that we have over here. In my case, I'm gonna use this app over here. And feel free to try any other app, of course. So if you don't like this app, or if it doesn't work for you, then of course you can try anything else from that list. Now let's open the app. I'm gonna show you how to use it in order to get the iPhone ringtone. Of course, you might see ads in the meantime. Of course, we need to grant permissions, so tap on allow over here. Then we can press OK, and we can allow modifying system settings so that the app can actually change the ringtone. Over here now we can press play in order to listen to these ringtones that we have over here. So you can try to find whichever you want to use, and then tap on these three dots on the right side. Then we can tap on the ringtone in here. Of course, we have an ad again, but we can wait a couple of seconds and close it. There we go. And then we should see that the ringtone has been set successfully. So let's just press OK. And just to check if that's really the case, we need to open settings. And then we're gonna go to sound and vibration, and you can adjust the loudness of ringtone in order to see. And as you can hear, in my case, it is actually changed. But if in your case it has not been updated, then you can go to the ringtone in here, and then choose pre-installed ringtones, and then select ringtone. Then you will need to press this plus in the bottom right corner and go to audio files, and you should be able to find the MP3 file of that iPhone ringtone. So this is the audio file that we wanted to choose. At least, well, maybe not exactly the same name, but it will be pretty much the latest audio file. So now we can select this on this list, and we can exit these settings. And that's pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.